In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove background noise and keyboard sounds in OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about noise reduction in OBS Studio, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the process of effectively removing background noise and keyboard sounds in OBS Studio. Whether you're streaming, recording, or participating in online meetings, improving your audio quality is essential. Let's get started. To begin, open OBS Studio and navigate to the settings. Switch to the Audio tab, locate the Mic Auxiliary Audio option under Global Devices, and select the drop-down menu. Ensure the device is set to your microphone. Apply the settings and close the window. Now, let's explore the proximity effect, a powerful technique to enhance your microphone's performance. Position your microphone as close to you as possible before adjusting any settings. This helps minimize background noise, providing clearer audio. In the audio mixer, you'll now see your microphone listed as Mic Au. Use the slider underneath the audio device to adjust your microphone volume. Maxing out the volume may distort your voice and increase background noise, so we recommend setting it to about 90%. Click the gear icon next to your microphone, choose Filters, and select the plus icon at the bottom. Opt for Noise Suppression. Rename the filter if desired and press OK. Noise suppression will automatically reduce background noise. While the default method works well, you can switch to the Speaks method for more control. Adjust the amount to fine-tune the noise suppression level. Add a noise gate filter by clicking the plus icon again. Adjust the close and open thresholds. The microphone remains muted until the volume reaches the open threshold, then stays unmuted until it drops below the close threshold. Ensure the audio mixer is visible. Talk into the microphone at a normal volume to check if your voice is picked up. Pronounce soft sounds to ensure they're also detected. Adjust the open threshold if necessary. When you're not talking, there should be no sound. Adjust the close threshold if any sound is detected. Fine-tune the attack, hold, and release times if needed. The attack time determines how long a sound must be active to be heard. The hold time sets the mic activation duration between sounds, and the release time controls the audio fade-out. Default settings should suffice, but feel free to make adjustments based on your preferences. Close the filter window, and your background noise and keyboard sounds should now be effectively reduced. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and tech insights, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and enjoy crystal clear audio in your OBS Studio recordings.